Hello friends, welcome back to our video on Chima Digital channel. In this video I want to show you how to withdraw your goods allocation to your exchange. The goods allocation have been made already since 30th of November, and the listing will be taking place on December 5th. You can see it here. That's the listing date. So I know for so many of us we got something so big. This is exactly the only thing I got. So I don't know how much you got here. So the next thing is to make sure you make withdrawals of this before the listing date. And the system has said the deadline for this withdrawal is tomorrow, being December 2nd. So all you need to do is what? You go here and click on withdraw. If you want to stay, go here, but withdrawal is very important. And let's do that. So when you click on withdraw, see what you're going to have. The system is listing on 7 main exchanges. You can see it: Bitgate, KuCoin, Gate.io, Mex, Bitmart, Onus, then CoinW. So I'm going to use Bitgate. I can use any one. I can use Onus. I want to use Bitgate. Let's see how it works. Okay, the system said, do you have a Bitgate account? If you don't have it, say no, let's create one. But if you have it, I say yes, I have it. Now the system requires that I'm going to put in the whole of this. I'm going to put my UID, then my address, my ghost address from Bitgate. Now there's something I'm seeing here. You can see what you see here now is withdrawing 28 point something, which is 25% of my allocation. Yes. The question is this in by choice, or the system just wants to give this for now? Or is it that if you want to withdraw 100, let's just try to click on 100% and see what will happen. Now I'm going to put my UID. How do you get it if you're using Bitgate? Any other exchange? Let's go to my Bitgate and see how to get my UID. So this is my Bitgate now. I'm going to go to home page here. On the home page, you're going to see this, what you see here, up here. On the top left side, I click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this, everything about here you are seeing on top here is my profile. So the whole of this, so you can easily see my UID. So all I need to do is what I hold it like this. I have clicked, it's copied. So I go back, I put it. Don't be afraid about that. That's not your people seeing it will not do anything against you. Now I go to enter the ghost wallet address. I go back here. So under the same place, I'm going to check deposit. Look for where you have deposits. Okay, this is deposit. So click on that deposit. When you click on it, now you are going to see some of the coins you have used recently. So you are seeing these coins here, MMFI, and so many of these coins here. You can see coins here. But this is way, if you have never opened gold before, just click on this search bar and put that coin you're looking for. In this case, goats. But because I've opened it before, that's why you see it showing here. So I'm going to click on it. So, and another thing you have to know, so many of us, you need to know this, please. Whenever a system is saying we are going to pay you in a particular token or whatever, try to know the token, the chain, the network that token is hosted on. I know most of the Telegram tokens that are doing all this stuff to earn are hosted on Ton. That's open network because it's owned by Telegram. So most of them, like this goat now, is still under only one network. You can see Ton network. If you open it now, you see that it's only that Ton network that is still here, nothing else. So in that you can see it's only Ton. But there are some coins you open, you see a lot of networks. So you choose the one the system says you should choose because it's wrong. If a system wants you to choose a Tron network, that is a TRC20 network, and you go and choose Tron network, if you send coin there, you're not going to get it. So you need to understand some of these basics. Well, in this case, we have only one, and that is a Tron network. So all you need to do what? Click here to copy. This is the address they are looking for, the GOAT wallet address. So I'm going to click on it. I copy it. Now I go back here. I paste it. Having pasted it, now you can see this withdrawal page now has activated. You understand? So I'm going to click on it. I click on withdraw. Let's see information from them. Goes withdrawing 1130 point whatever. You see everything here is gone now. So the withdrawal will be sent to my Bitget. It's a question of, waiting a bit to see if it has already gone through. So I'm still going to check that. But even if it's not gone now, in the course of time, as long as he has shown that he has withdrawn, it will be there, and he has already left this place. Okay, so at this time you're going to check your activity area. So let's just look at this activity area and see what is happening. The status of our withdrawal. Okay, we'll now check. We'll click on activity. On the activity, see staking. We have not staked anything. We could have staked. That's why the system is okay. Do you want to withdraw few and stake the rest? We didn't stake it, so we'll click on withdraw to see what's happening. Okay, look at it. This is a withdrawal we made. This is a withdrawal we made. You understand? Today, December 1. So, and it's still pending. So that means it has not been sent. And it won't be sent because listing is still on 5th. So this thing can only be sent after tomorrow's withdrawal ends. Close to the listing date, they will now send it. You begin to see it. So, and for now, this coin is very, very, very low. I'm seeing something like $0.0009, and that's terribly poor. If it goes, this is the pre-market price of goats, and if it goes this way, it will be biggest dust. I know that a lot of people got something big, but let's see how it goes. Just do this and make sure the coin is already in your wallet. So price now can be anything. I wish to stop here. I wish you the best. If you are new to our channel, please do it to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can get updated as we bring in more content, especially as it concerns the listings that will be taking place this month of December. You can check the description part of this video and see other tokens you need to join. Please quickly do that and be ahead of all of these things. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.